So today I'm going to be filming a video about eyelash extensions because I think it's a video that I wish I did more research on before I got them done. So hopefully this video can help out some people who are curious about how they are, the pros and cons, and just my opinion on it. So right now I have volume lashes on. I recently got a fill and they're kind of wild right now because I didn't really brush them this morning. But so this video is solely based on my personal experience and what I've kind of been through from the start to finish. Again, everyone is gonna have an individual opinion on it, and especially around the beauty industry itself and just everything to do with beauty. Different opinions are made because everyone has different skin, everyone has different eyes, everyone has hair. It's just, yeah. I want to start off by talking about where I kind of started and where I'm at now. First, I started getting lashes about 2 years ago, so it's been about 2 years now since I've gotten my lashes done. I can safely say that through trial and error and more research, I am finally content and know so much more about eyelash extensions themselves and about my own eyes personally. I started off going to certain lash techs that were certified lash techs that were doing it from their home. I personally have not been too fond of salon prices and outcomes, but there's some people who prefer that, so it's just personal opinion. Do your research, because cheaper does not mean better quality, and better quality does not mean that it's vice versa. When I first started, I started getting classics because I wanted a more natural look, and I kind of wanted just to test out how it would be like and how it would look like on myself. I didn't know if they would really suit me, if I would like them, so I started off easy. I think that's a good idea to do because you don't want to jump into getting volume or something too extra if it doesn't work for you or if you don't like it. After a couple times of getting classic and switching from different lash techs, I definitely noticed, I think that out of the 5, I think 2 have been my top. It's not to say that the other ones were bad or anything, it's just more so what works for you, what doesn't work for you, and you learn that through experience, or you just get lucky and you get a great lash tech. So I have personally had my fair share with eye problems. I have quite sensitive eyes, so little things can irritate them. I think it's really important to kind of know how your eyes are, and if you are more sensitive to certain things with your eyes, just to be cautious and aware that there's things that can happen prior to getting your lashes done. For example, like I've had eyelash glue fume go into my eye on accident because your eyes do flutter a lot, may get in your eye, and I've had an uncomfortable feeling or just like redness in your eye, but it's easily fixable with putting just eye drops in your eye. So also just recognizing that everyone has different eyes, everyone has different eye shapes, and everyone has different amount of lashes. So one look that you see may not look the same as what you want. I think that there are certain things that people forget when they do get their lashes done. The more you maintain them, the longer they're gonna last and the better that you're gonna feel about them. One of my lash techs gave me a solution. I pumped this onto my hand, and I use a little brush that is provided, and I wash out any dirt and any residue that is clogged up in your lashes. But for people who do wear makeup quite often with their lashes, they forget that a lot of eyeshadow or just makeup can get into your fake lashes, and if you don't wash them, dirt and disgustingness can build up. I used to slack off and not really pay attention to that. I noticed a tremendous difference in the way that my lashes do grow, and as well as brushing your lashes out. It's super important. This is a spoolie that comes with it. So I think these 3 things are super, super important. For people who are worried about whether or not your natural lashes fall out or if they damage them, I think it does vary per person, but I've realized that for me personally, getting my lashes done has not decreased the amount of lashes that I do have, but it more so made them less curly and less thick and just more flat and light. So I don't think that I've lost many of my natural lashes just because I've been able to maintain them and take care of them, as well as, big pointer, I think it's important to wash them, brush them out, as well as taking breaks. Now, taking breaks is obviously optional, but I think that that is something that has made a huge difference and is important. It's good to give your lashes a break. Just like when you get your nails done, it's important to kind of like have your natural nails for a little bit sometimes, so you can let your natural nails or your natural eyelashes breathe, grow back naturally. Every so often I do take breaks, and maybe every couple months, or some people choose every couple weeks to take little breaks just to let your lashes grow out naturally again and be healthy. What does suck is that you can't really sleep on your face, which is really annoying, but oh well. They're super convenient, to be honest. Like, countless times where I've saved so much time because I don't wear mascara, I don't really have to wear much makeup. You just kind of walk out the door. Again, everyone has different opinions on them. I've had many people tell me that they were allergic to it, so then they realize that they can't get their lashes done, or I've had many people love them and they get them so often. I've been getting them for about, again, 2 years now, and I've found lash techs who know exactly what they're doing, know how my eye shape is and what works for me. I think that's something that builds after a few times of going to these certain lash techs. I think that everything is good in moderation, so I think that maintaining them and just kind of taking little breaks is super important. I mean, I don't know if there's enough science behind eyelash extensions, but everyone is going to have their own opinion on it. It might not work out the first time, it might not work out the second time, it might not even work out the third time. I think it just takes the right person and the right place to find what works for you. So yeah, I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, if you're still watching. I hope that this kind of helped people a little bit if you were curious or you needed some pros and cons to getting your lashes done. Again, everyone is gonna have a different opinion, so it just is based off of what you think is best for yourself. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace out.